In this video, we'll show you how to register on Tonbooster. After opening our Telegram application, we head to the links provided by our sponsor. We select the link that has TonPay in the middle, which will open a new chat. Click on the Start button after the terms and conditions load. Upon completion, a button labeled Sign will appear, and our TonPay wallet will be created. Click on the Finance button and then on the Wallet button, which will provide us with an address that we copy with a click. Now, we return to the link sent by our sponsor and click on the link that has Tonbooster in the middle. This will open a chat with a button labeled Start, which we click to initiate activation. Next, it will give us the option to subscribe to the news channel. Click on Sign, and then on the Request to Join the Channel button. A button is enabled next to the area where we write the message, which says Open. Click on it to open our network control panel, and it indicates that it will connect to the site. Click on Start. Then, we need to connect our wallet that we previously copied from TonPay. Select the Terms checkbox, and click on the Sign Up button. Now, we can select our package, click on Bike, then OK, and Accept. It will give us instructions to send the coins and the destination address. Copy the address with a click and return to TonPay to verify that the purchased coins have arrived. Select the Transfer option, paste our previously verified destination address in the message area, and send it as a response. When asked how many coins we want to send, write 5 as the response. Confirm with the button that appears below. Then, it will ask us to create a code for transfers. Click on the Set PIN Code option, Start, and write 4 digits for withdrawal, which do not have to be consecutive or repeated numbers. Confirm again and return. Now, we go back to Tonbooster, where we will see that our status has changed because the 5 ton coins we sent have already arrived. Click on the Open button, and our bike status now appears active. Now we can see our referral link to copy and invite our friends.